Here's a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. The Car Connection believes behind the wheel, drivers will likely forget they're driving a 7-seat crossover utility vehicle. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. Take it for a test drive today.
Family-owned and operated Thayer Chevrolet Toyota has been exceeding expectations since 1935. We're conveniently located at 1225 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.